Hey guys, Steve Zellnard here at Treviso Realty. We're back at Del Webb's 55 plus community in North Fort Myers. Behind us here is the amenity center. The last time we did a drone here was just basically an open field. Now you'll see actually the structure of the building. You're going to see all the outdoor tennis courts and pickleball courts already built. But I'll tell you a little bit about this facility here. It's a 14,000 square foot clubhouse. It's got a state-of-the-art fitness center, community rooms, activity spaces, movement studio similar to Verdana, cafe and demo kitchen. So you're going to have casual dining on site, social activity rooms and lounge area, and office spaces. It says here supporting any work from home needs or community administration tax. I'm not sure if that's just for the HOA, but that's something we got to look into. Also outdoor. So outdoor, you got a resort style pool with lap lanes providing both recreational fitness opportunities, spa for relaxation, fire pit gathering area, 8 pickleball courts, 3 bocce courts, poolside full service bar and grill, and outdoor social verandas. So very nice facility. We actually have clients that have actually purchased already in this community. Amazing price if you are looking for a 55 plus. Again, it's a Del Webb product, so it's going to be a little bit of a higher end product than, let's say, the other builders. But that's it. If you have any questions, always reach out. Hey, Steve Zellnard here at Treviso Realty. Behind us here is our client's home. They're actually from the Northeast, from New York originally. So they're building this house here. It's a 55 plus community, as you know. This is going to be a Mystique model. They did the bump out rather than the 0 corner door, so it's going to add more square footage on the property. But yeah, we're pretty much in, the slab prep is already completed, so they're probably going to go through inspection now, and then ultimately should be pouring this week. We're going to be heading off to my property that I'm building in Cape Coral. We're in the exact same position right now. So we'll get you to the next one.